In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to install and use Google Antigravity. Let's get started. First, head over to this one website, antigravity.google.com. Once you're over here, you're going to find different option. You can download it on Mac OS, Windows and Linux. For this guide, I'm going to choose Windows. All you have to do is click on the option download. With that, download process will start. Once it has been downloaded, click on the file. Now you will need to install it. After it has been installed, you will need to set it up. Now you can use your Google account to log in. Just click on continue with Google. Select your preferred email address. And once logged in, you will be good to go. Check in for this option and click on open. Now agree with the terms and conditions and select the theme. Click on next. Now here you're going to find different topics. Select it and click on next. Just with that, you will land to the main interface of Google Antigravity 2.0. From here, you can click on the Antigravity menu to check the current version and explore different AI models available inside the platform, including Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Claude Sonnet 4.6, and even GPT open source models. For this demo, I will be selecting Gemini 3.5 Flash because it's extremely fast and works great for coding projects. Now go ahead and type in your command prompt. After you type in, hit enter. Now AI continues building the project automatically without asking for additional user input. Within seconds, the complete application is generated successfully. After completion, click on submit to run the project and the game will automatically open in your browser. So this is how you can easily install and use Google Antigravity. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.